Hello everyone, today we'll discuss exercise 6.1 question number 8. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. Let us express this one. Solution. We know that we know we know that we know that the sum of first that the sum of first the sum of first in odd natural number number is n square. Let's solve question number 1. Then we can write 49 is equal to 7 square. Right? Therefore 49 is the sum of 7 sum of first first 7 odd natural number. Therefore we can write that 49 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Right? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? This one. Right? Number 2 is express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. We know that we can write 121 is equal to 11 square. Therefore we can say that 121 is the sum of first 11 odd natural number. Therefore we can write 121 is equal to 121 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. Right? Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. We know that the sum of first n odd natural number is n square. The 49 is equal to 7 square. 49 is the sum of first 7 odd natural number. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. That is equal to 49. And 121 is equal to, you can write 11 square. Therefore, you can say that 121 is the sum of first 11 odd natural number. Therefore, 121 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.